The natural world inspires awe and wonder. Its intricate systems and diverse life forms raise a fundamental question. Does nature have a purpose, or is it simply a product of blind chance? This question has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries, leading to two main schools of thought. One perspective views nature as inherently purposeful. Proponents see evidence of design in the remarkable adaptations of organisms and the delicate balance of ecosystems. They argue that the complexity and efficiency of nature point to an underlying intentionality. On the other hand, others believe that natural phenomena occur out of necessity, driven by the laws of physics and chance occurrences. They argue that the appearance of purpose is an illusion, a result of natural selection favoring traits that enhance survival and reproduction. This debate is not merely an intellectual exercise, it has profound implications for how we understand our place in the universe and our responsibility towards the natural world. Consider the intricate structures and behaviors of living organisms. A hummingbird's beak perfectly fits the shape of the flowers it pollinates. A cheetah's sleek body and powerful legs allow it to chase down prey with incredible speed. These adaptations seem almost too perfect to be mere coincidence. From this perspective, it's tempting to conclude that these features were designed for their specific functions, much like a carpenter designs a chair for sitting. The intricate structure of a human eye, for instance, with its lens, retina, and optic nerve, seems to suggest a blueprint for sight. Similarly, the sharp teeth and claws of a lion appear perfectly crafted for tearing flesh. This view suggests a purposeful force behind nature, guiding the development of organisms and their adaptations. This force, whether a divine creator or some inherent natural striving, imbues the natural world with meaning and direction. However, the theory of evolution offers a compelling alternative explanation for the apparent design in nature. Through the process of natural selection, random genetic mutations arise in populations. Some mutations prove advantageous, increasing an organism's chances of survival and reproduction. Those beneficial traits are then passed down to subsequent generations, while less advantageous traits gradually disappear. Over vast stretches of time, this process can lead to the development of complex adaptations. The hummingbird's beak, for example, may have evolved gradually, with individuals possessing slight variations in beak shape. Those with beaks better suited to accessing nectar from flowers would have had a survival advantage, passing on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Similarly, a cheetah's speed is not a result of intentional design, but rather the culmination of countless generations of cheetahs with slightly different muscle structures and skeletal proportions. Those who could run faster were more likely to catch prey, survive and reproduce, passing on their genes for speed. Section 4. Nature's craftsmanship versus human ingenuity. The debate about purpose in nature often draws comparisons between the natural world and human creations. Humans design and build objects with specific purposes in mind. A watch, for example, is meticulously crafted to tell time. Its intricate gears, springs and dials work together to achieve this specific function. Some argue that the complexity and apparent design in nature point to a similar kind of purposeful creation. Just as a watch requires a watchmaker, they contend that the intricate workings of nature require a designer. However, this analogy has limitations. Human creations are products of conscious thought and planning. We begin with a goal in mind and then carefully select materials and assemble them to achieve that goal. Nature, on the other hand, operates without a conscious plan or foresight. Evolution is a blind process driven by random variation and selective pressures. While the intricate structures of living organisms might resemble human artifacts, they arise through fundamentally different processes. Attributing purpose to nature based solely on the appearance of design risks anthropomorphizing the natural world, imposing our own human-centric perspective onto a realm governed by its own unique laws. Section 5 to conclusion, embracing the mystery of existence. The question of whether nature has a purpose remains a source of ongoing debate. While some find compelling evidence of design in the intricate adaptations of organisms, others see the elegant power of chance and necessity shaping the living world. Understanding both perspectives is crucial for appreciating the full scope of this profound question. Whether we view nature as a purposeful creation or an awe-inspiring product of blind processes, recognizing the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature is paramount. Ultimately, the question of purpose in nature may remain an enigma. However, contemplating this mystery can deepen our appreciation for the beauty, complexity, and sheer improbability of life on Earth.